Hello friends, are you ready to make some vocal tea? This will help with all kinds of allergies this season, and it tastes great, babe. So what this recipe calls for is 1 orange, half of a lemon, a cinnamon stick, mint, ginger, cayenne pepper, black peppercorn, and some local honey. First, what we're going to do is cut up a lemon into small lemon wedges here and place them into the hot water. Next, we're going to squeeze 1 orange. Next, my recipe is going to call for a teaspoon here of my cayenne pepper. Be careful with that, it can get kind of hot. 5 whole peppercorns. A teaspoon of ginger. Next, I'm going to have my cinnamon that I'm putting in 1 full cinnamon stick. Mint leaves, you'll add in 3 mint leaves. You have this kind of mint, you'll add in 1 teaspoon. Next, I'm going to pour a generous amount of honey. 2 tablespoons total. And we'll let it steep. We've been letting this tea steam for a good 10 to 15 minutes. It's nice and blended together, so time to take a sip. Oh, it's so delicious. It's sweet, but it also has a little bit of a kick to it. You can definitely feel the cayenne pepper going up this way. It also has a healthy feeling to it, probably the ginger. Let me know in the comments what you thought of my vocal tea.